Have you ever seen bitter melon prepared this way? No stir-frying, no salad mixing, just a few simple eggs and an incredibly easy method. We can completely transform a common daily ingredient into a dish that is both visually appealing and unique, full of surprises. When finished, this dish is not only delicious but also looks like a special occasion creation. So why wait any longer? Let's discover this amazing bitter melon and egg steamed dish together. First, wash the bitter melon. Place it on the cutting board and cut it in half lengthwise. Use a spoon to gently scoop out all the seeds and the white inner pulp. This step not only creates space for the egg to be added later, but also helps the dish have a more balanced flavor. If you use young, tender bitter melon, don't rush to remove the white inner pulp. Many people believe that this young, tender part has a crisp texture and mild flavor, making it ideal for salads or other fresh dishes. After removing the seeds and pulp, you'll notice a thin, milky white membrane that's slightly chewy still clinging to the inner surface of the bitter melon. This thin membrane is the primary culprit responsible for the bitterness of bitter melon. If you prefer a milder, more palatable bitterness, use a spoon to scrape off part of this membrane. This seemingly simple action can make a significant difference. With just a few light peels, you can significantly reduce the bitter taste. On the other hand, if you are a devotee of the distinctive, rich flavor of bitter melon, you can retain part or even the entire membrane. Many people believe that this membrane contributes to the unique flavor of this vegetable, and also contains numerous natural compounds beneficial to health. There is no right or wrong choice. It entirely depends on your taste and personal preference. Adjust accordingly for the best fit. That is one of the joys of cooking, as a small change with familiar ingredients can create a balanced flavor that suits your personal taste. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil until it is vigorously boiling. While waiting for the water to boil, we will prepare 2 to 4 chicken or duck eggs, depending on the size and quantity of bitter melon you are using. Typically, a medium-sized bitter melon pairs well with 1 egg. Crack the egg directly into the hollow center inside each half of the bitter melon. It's truly delightful to know that we have viewers coming from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button right now. Your support is an incredibly significant source of motivation for us. Then use a spoon to gently separate the egg yolk into a small bowl or plate, keeping the egg white inside the bitter melon. This small step is the key element that creates the specialness of the dish. When steamed, the 2 layers of white and yellow will remain clearly separated, creating a more eye-catching and elegant appearance. Now, beat the separated egg yolk until it is fully dissolved. Use a whisk or fork to beat thoroughly until the mixture becomes smooth and completely homogeneous, with no lumps. Then slowly pour the beaten egg yolk into the inside of the bitter melon, on top of the egg white layer. You will notice the creamy yellow egg yolk gently rising up, naturally forming a beautiful 2-layer effect. We should pour just enough egg to reach the top of the bitter melon. Note that it should not be filled too full, as during steaming the egg may spill out, losing the dish's beautiful shape. At this point, the water in the pot is boiling vigorously. Carefully place the halves of the bitter melon stuffed with eggs into the steamer. Cover the lid tightly and let the steam do the remaining work. Small bitter melons will only need about 8 to 10 minutes of steaming to be just tender. For larger ones, the time may need to be longer, about 12 to 15 minutes to ensure the eggs are fully cooked from the inside. While waiting for the bitter melon to steam, we will prepare an ingredient that can be called the soul of this dish. It is a simple dipping sauce that can connect all the flavors together, making the dish irresistibly appealing. First, prepare a few fresh garlic cloves. Use a knife to lightly crush them, then mince them very finely. This small step helps release the natural oils in the garlic, giving the sauce a strong, distinctive aroma that stimulates the taste buds. Next, prepare a few fresh chili peppers. Cut them into thin rounds. If you're someone who loves strong spicy flavor, don't hesitate to add a bit more, because the intense heat will help balance the richness of the eggs and make the dish more appealing. Finally, take a little fresh cilantro, wash it clean, and chop it very finely. Put chopped green onions, garlic, and chili into a small bowl. Next, add a tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds. Roasted sesame seeds contribute to a rich, aromatic flavor, adding depth and complexity to the sauce. Sprinkle a little chili powder for a more vibrant color and an additional layer of flavor. Now heat a little cooking oil. When the oil is hot, slowly pour it over the garlic, green onions, and chili mixture. Immediately, the aroma of garlic, onion, and sesame will burst forth, filling the air with a fragrant scent. This is the secret to transforming a simple dipping sauce into something truly special. Gently stir to combine all the ingredients. Now season the dipping sauce. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the overall flavor. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavor. Next, add 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. Soy sauce provides a rich umami flavor along with a subtle natural sweetness. Finally, add a little bit of cooking wine. Only a small amount is needed, but it helps all the flavors blend smoothly and harmoniously. Stir well until everything combines completely. And so the dipping sauce is ready. It smells of garlic, has a nutty aroma from roasted sesame, a pleasant tangy flavor, and is perfectly balanced between salty and sweet. At this point, the bitter melon is fully cooked. As soon as you open the lid, a subtle refined aroma will spread into the air. Carefully remove the bitter melon from the steamer. Let it cool for a few minutes to make it easier to cut and to allow the egg to solidify completely. Then use a knife to cut into slices of appropriate thickness. When the blade glides over each slice of bitter melon, you will notice the inner egg has cooked soft and smooth, not at all dry or chewy. Each slice reveals a refined pattern. The soft, smooth egg white lies within the golden, lustrous yolk, surrounded by the fresh green rim of bitter gourd. The contrast between yellow, white, and green creates round shapes resembling small flowers, making the dish visually appealing even before adding the dipping sauce. If you cut it while it's still warm, the cut surface will be smoother. The eggs will retain a silky texture and the slices will remain intact, giving the finished dish a restaurant-worthy appearance. Next, arrange the bitter melon slices on the plate in any shape you prefer. Where are you viewing from? Please leave a comment so I know. Place a small prepared dipping bowl in the center. With this simple presentation, the dish immediately appears elegant and suitable for a restaurant. And so the bitter melon with egg dish is ready to be enjoyed. It is visually appealing, nutritious, and incredibly delicious. Do you like this dish? There is an old saying, a bit of bitterness in summer brings more comfort to the body. Perhaps this is the reason why bitter melon remains a beloved ingredient in family meals across generations. What makes this dish special is the harmony of contrast: soft yet slightly crisp, rich yet fresh, bitter yet naturally sweet. These flavors do not compete with each other. Instead, they blend effortlessly, creating a balance that is both pleasant and refined. The more you eat, the more you appreciate its lightness and freshness. It never leaves a feeling of heaviness, but each piece is deeply satisfying. This is a type of dish that doesn't make you eat much, but it lingers in your memory for a long time after the meal. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.